We're going to start off tonight with a follow-up on the new executive order issued by President Biden. It mandates any company employing more than 100 people must either make vaccines mandatory or require weekly COVID-19 testing.
This will apply to many of South Carolina's businesses. News 19's Emily Carell tells us more.
It's very difficult to implement these types of orders. It's very difficult to enforce them.
Joseph Steiner is a law professor at the University of South Carolina and specializes in labor and employment law. He gave News 19 a closer look at how President Biden's new executive order regarding vaccination will play out here in South Carolina.
There is a serious constitutional question there. There's a serious separation of powers issue as to whether or not this is the role for the White House or this is the role for Congress to adopt these types of laws.
The order only applies to companies with over 100 employees, like Prisma Health, who said in part, Prisma Health is committed to complying with all federal requirements, including those that were recently announced. We are working to understand the full scope of these new requirements and will be implementing the appropriate protocols for compliance as necessary. Or UPS, who tells us, we are reviewing the executive order and what it means for UPS and our people. We do not have anything to share right now. UPS continues to urge employees to get vaccinated. Vaccination remains the best way to ensure personal safety, public health, and business continuity.
I think it's more about creating a sense of urgency, particularly for larger employers, to get this done. I think it is, in many ways, as I said earlier, providing cover for employers that say, look, this is the law, we have to do this. And so it makes the government the bad guy, so to speak.
Steiner says South Carolina is an employment at will state, so companies have always been able to adopt these types of mandates.
What's going to happen is those employers that have not currently done that, those larger employers that have 100 or more employees, they're going to have to get on this pretty quickly and adopt it, or they're going to have to challenge the law.
Companies like Boeing and Segra Park, who say they are still reviewing the order, will either need to jump on board or join the many South Carolina lawmakers and leaders, including Governor Henry McMaster, who are in opposition of the order.
By the time these cases actually get moving in the courts, we're already on a new phase of this. And so, this it changes every week, it seems like.
I'm Emily Carell, News 19 WLTX.